Google TV is getting its biggest upgrade yet, and it's arriving earlier than expected. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Gemini is Google's powerful AI assistant, which is now rolling out to selected TVs, and users are already spotting it on models Google hadn't officially confirmed. While Gemini was kept for later this year, it's already live on the TCL QM9K, and unsurprisingly, is now appearing on Sony Bravia TVs running Android TV 14 as well. One Bravia owner posted proof on Reddit showing off Gemini's new icon and features after updating the Google TV Home app. So, what does Gemini bring to your big screen? Well, it's not just about voice search. Gemini transforms your TV into a smart assistant that can find top-rated shows on HBO Max, summarize news headlines, generate custom screensavers, pull relevant YouTube clips, and even create images, all with a natural conversational interface. It also adds new voice options, almost 10 in total, with names like Oxalis, Fern, and Calathea. These voices, named after plants, bring a new level of personalization to the living room. For instance, the calm and mid-range voice called Nova on mobile is rebranded as Bloom on Google TV. Gemini will launch officially on more TCL models like the QM7K, QM8K, and X11K later this year. It's also coming to the 2025 Hisense U8, U7, and UX lines, as well as streaming devices like the Google TV Stick and Walmart's On 4K Pro. If you noticed a new icon or voice options on your Google TV, you might be among the lucky testers of this AI ruling your living room. Did you get Gemini on your TV yet? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.